Hi, it's Robin Wellner. I wanted to share something sort of simple that I just learned about how to use my Photoshop Elements program to adjust a facial feature so it looks less stern. So basically, changing a frown into a smile. So it's pretty simple, but I found it really helpful because when you paint someone from life, typically they're sitting for a long period of time and it's really difficult to hold a smile the whole time. So I thought it might be helpful to somebody out there. Thanks. Here's the painting that I want to work on. She's a good friend of mine and she's not normally this stern. So you can see she doesn't look very happy. So I'm hoping to change that. Okay, so now I'm in expert mode in my Photoshop Elements editor. I go to Enhance, down to Adjust Facial Features, and all you do is go to Smile and move this little button over until it's where you like it. There we go. Okay. Save that and you're done.